What's going on, everybody? Shady Low here, back with another video. Today's a very exciting day. I just got my 11 Pro Max in the mail, so I'm going to be unboxing that and showing you guys, how it looks, things like that, and just kind of go through my first impressions. I'm upgrading from the iPhone 10 to the 11 Pro Max in gold. So let's just jump right in because I'm ready to unbox this and get this going. Alright, so now let's go ahead and unbox this. I got my little cutter here. Let's see where the tape is. Let's cut that. Quick and easy. Inner flap. Alright, you guys ready for this? Alright. There we go. Oh wow. You can tell this is, I'm recording with my iPhone 10 right now, so I can't show you the comparison, but this thing is pretty big. I can just tell this is going to be it's going to get a lot. It's going to take a lot of time to get used to a larger screen, but that's mainly why I wanted this. I found it hard to type on the. After a while, the keyboard on the iPhone 10 was it's a little bit hard to type on. So this is the box. You got the black box with the gold iPhone on the front, and then you got the 64 gig serial number, all that good stuff. Standard box, pretty cool. And I love Apple's packaging. It's super simple. Toss that because I don't need that. And then just make sure my camera is good. There we go. And here we go. Oh wow. This looks amazing. Wow. It feels nice. I can see like my fingertips. Oh, it's weird how I can't explain it, but it's like it's not sticking, nothing like that. It's a nice like frost gold, which is pretty cool. The iPhone 10 is a little slippy. It's actually cracked right now, so I don't think I'll have that problem with this phone. This is really nice. Look at that. That's a close-up. Cameras, back, gold Apple, and then we have the front. Let's take this plastic off. I might not go through the whole setup process because I'm sure you guys are all used to that or have seen a whole bunch of videos on that too, so that's nothing new to you guys, but here it is. iPhone 11 Pro Max, 3 cameras. I kind of wish this part was this part matched the actual back. This is kind of like glass, I guess, so that would have been nice to kind of have it like a matte finish. But otherwise, it looks pretty nice. I might do a separate video on the cameras. If you guys have any suggestions for videos you guys want to see about this iPhone, let me know. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, let me know in the comments. If you guys have the phone, let me know how you guys like it, what you don't like about it, all that good stuff. The sides are pretty cool. Nice like glass. It kind of doesn't match the exact the frost on the back, which looks pretty. It looks pretty cool though. I like it. Wow, that's a huge screen. That is one huge screen. Look at that. So yeah, I'll go through the setup process. Let's see what's in the box. Hold on. Instructions. Nobody ever reads those, so we don't need that. We got headphones I probably won't use because I have AirPods. I use those all the time, so these are kind of I guess come in handy for. These will kind of come in handy for I guess as a backup. And I got the standard lightning charger, pretty cool. And then I got the fast charger block. That's nice. That's gonna be nice to have. I'm really looking forward to testing out the battery life on this because my iPhone 10 was running a little bit low on battery health, and I noticed my battery life was decreasing. So yeah, there you have it, guys. 11 Pro Max Gold. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys have it, if you guys like it, don't like it, thoughts on this, and if you guys want to see anything specific, yeah, just let me know, and we'll do another video on that. So hope you guys enjoy that quick unboxing, and yeah.